My name is Casey.
Hi, my name is Kaiko.
And we will show you how to make a Valentine's card.
Grab a white paper and a red paper.
If you don't have a red paper, that's okay. Just draw a heart on it.
Grab scissors, markers, glue, coloring supplies, and if you want any other supplies like pom-poms and googly eyes, etc.
Fold the white paper in half, not the hot dog side. I repeat, not the hot dog side. You are not a dog, so do it like this. Please do it like this. Soft hamburger style. You are not a dog.
Cut the red paper into a heart and glue it to the left of the folded paper on the outside, and do not draw wall on the heart while it is drying.
If you only drew the heart, that's okay. Just keep drawing wherever you want to. While the heart dries on the inside of the paper on the right side in pencil.
A good message would be, have a good Valentine's Day, or I have a crush on you from a secret admirer.
Decorate the card on the front. Just avoid the heart and do it later if it is not dry. If you want to, grab some books so that you can copy the characters from the books. For example, if you like, or the person you like, or you have liked My Hero Academia, bam.
So, if you have a lot of space on either your right side or the left side on your paper, you can draw another picture. If you want it simple, just give it to a person you don't like. Ta-da! You are done.
Here are some cards that some other people have made, like Ethan, Aubrey, Casey,
Kaiko, and Michaela. Give it to the person you want to give it, however you want to, whether it is like this.
Here, take it.
Or like this. Oh, ouch! Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.
Please like and subscribe this channel.